Hello students, good morning to all of you. In class 12 commerce, we are studying the chapter accounting for partnership for fundamentals, and in the last video we have learned about the guarantee of profit to the partners. So guarantee of profit to the partners may be given by the any one of the partner or by all the partners in the particular ratio. So in the previous student, in the previous lecture we have learned about if the guarantee of the profit is given to the partners is to be bound by the any one partner that who have given the guarantee to the incoming partner, or you can say the admitting partner, or by all the partners in their particular ratio or as per their agreement. So today we will solve an illustration that is based on the guarantee of the profit to the partners. Let's move to the questions illustration based. So I am going to explain the illustration number 69 for the more clarification of the guarantee of the profit to the partners. Okay. So here we are. Illustration number 69. Read the illustration first of all. So Aman, Babita and Suresh are the partners in the firm. Their profit sharing ratio is 2 to 1. However, Suresh is guaranteed a minimum amount of rupees 10,000 as a share of profit every year. Okay. Any deficiency arising on the account shall be met by Babita. So the profit for the 2 year ending 31st March 2020 and 21 were 40,000 and 60,000 respectively. Prepare the profit and loss appropriation account for 2 years. Okay. So in this question demanding to prepare the profit and loss appropriation account for the 2 years. Okay. So profit are given for 40,000 for the year 2020 and 60,000 for 2021. So we know how to prepare the profit and loss appropriation account. So let's move to the question. So this is the in this way the profit and loss appropriation account will be made. So first of all, if there is a profit, we have to transfer the profit in the credit side of the profit and loss appropriation account. So this is the transfer made by the here rupees 40,000, or in the mind we have to set in mind that we are going to solve the question based on the guarantee of profit to the partners. So first of all, the 40,000 rupees will be distributed among the partners in their agreed ratio. So agreed ratio is working note. In the working note here the calculation are given. So there is the profit of rupees 40,000 that will be distributed among the partners by 2:5 and 2:5 and 1:5. So first of all we divide into 5. So 8,000 into, so profit is 8,000 into 2, 8,000 into 2, or 8,000 into 1. So profit is for Aman rupees 16,000 and for Babita 16,000 and for सुरेश रुपीज़ 8,000. ओके. तो इस तरीके से प्रॉफिट आपका आ गया अमन का 16,000 और बबीता का 16,000 और सुरेश का 8,000. बट this profit that is distributed to Suresh, that is not equal, that has been made by the commitment made by the partners, that the profit, minimum profit of the Suresh will be rupees what 10,000. Okay. So here is the profit rupees 8,000, but the minimum guarantee given to the Suresh that you will get every year rupees 10,000. So if they move to the question, let's see again that the Suresh has been given a guarantee a minimum amount of rupees 10,000 as a share of profit for every year. Okay. So in this question given that the any deficiency arises shall be made by the Babita. So in this question, if you see that there is a deficiency of rupees 2,000, here you can say there is a deficiency of rupees 2,000 because the Suresh should get rupees 10,000, and here in the profit he is just getting only rupees 8,000. So there is a deficiency of rupees 2,000. So there is a deficiency of rupees 2,000 that should be made by the Babita. So we will deduct the deficiency from the Babita's profit. So Babita's share is rupees 16,000. We will deduct the less the deficiency in the share. Suresh share rupees 2,000, and the final profit rupees 14,000 will be right on the outer column. Aman's profit is rupees 16,000, that will be written on the outer column. There is a no problem for the Aman's profit. There is a minimum guarantee given by the Babita, so the deficiency will be deducted from the Babita's profit. So Babita's profit is rupees 16,000. We will deduct rupees 2,000. The final profit will be transferred to the Babita's account rupees 14,000, and this deducted amount rupees 2,000 will be added to the Suresh capital account, or you can the Suresh portion of the profit. So Suresh profit will be covered by rupees adding these rupees 2,000, that will come 10,000. So the finally he will get rupees 10,000 by deducting rupees 2,000 from the Babita, and that deficiency rupees 2,000 will be added in the Suresh profit. So in this way this question will be solved. So there is also given a note in the bottom of the questions. So let's read again this. The minimum guarantee amount to the Suresh is rupees 10,000, whereas his share profit as per the profit sharing ratio work out rupees 8,000. Hence there is a shortfall of rupees 2,000 which will be borne by the Babita. Okay. So इस तरीके से फर्स्ट पोर्शन विल बी डन. नाउ मूव टू द सेकेंड पोर्शन. सो as like we in the first year calculation has been done, now we will also distribute the profit as per their agreed ratio. So there is a profit rupees for 2021, there is a profit of rupees 60,000 that will be distributed among the partners in their ratio 2 to 1. ओके 2 to 1 के अकॉर्डिंग डिस्ट्रीब्यूट कर देंगे. यहाँ पे अगर 5 से डिवाइड कर दें तो बीच आ जाएगा 12,000 इंटू 2 24,000 एंड 12,000. So as you see that Suresh is getting rupees 12,000 here in the second year, and that is the excess of, that is the above the minimum guarantee given by the partners. So here is no need to deduct any profit from the Babita that has been given the guarantee given by the Babita. So there is just sufficient profit because he is getting minimum, more than minimum rupees 10,000. So there is no need to any adjustment. So in this way second year calculation will be done here. Okay. So I hope students you have got the question and you have understand very well. So let's move to the another illustration or question.